Hello, students of Standard First, DAV Moyle Public School. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha, and today's topic is a picnic part 2. This topic is taken from your English reader. In the previous video, we learned this topic. We learned this lesson. Okay. In this lesson, we learned that children go to lake for a picnic. Where they go? Children go to lake for a picnic, and there were a very good place. That was a very good place. Birds singing and talking. Parrot talking to each other about the girls and boys. And in the last, girls helped to the boys when they were in a need, when they were about to drowning in the water. In this way, girls are brave. We learn in this lesson that girls are brave, and the boys saved by the girls. And in this way, boys are also happy because they saved by girls. Okay, now the exercise from this lesson. Okay, so listen carefully and note down in the copy. Where do children go for a picnic? Where do children go for a picnic? Yes, children go to a lake for a picnic. Note down, children go to a lake for a picnic. Who sit in yellow boat? Who sit in yellow boat? Yes, the answer is boys sit in yellow boats. Boys sit in yellow boats. Who prick the balloons? Who prick the balloons? Girls' balloon? Yes, the answer is crows prick the balloons. Crows prick the balloons. Who shout for help? Who shout for help? Yes, the answer is boys. Boys shout for help. Boys shout for help because the yellow boats have holes and the water is inside the boat. That's why the boys shouts for help. Who are brave? Who are brave in this lesson? Yes, we know that boys and girls both are brave, but in this lesson, girls are brave. Who are brave? Girls are brave. Okay, complete this exercise in your notebook. Now the next exercise from your English reader. Fill in the blanks. Children go to a lake for a answer is picnic. Children go to a lake for a picnic. Note down picnic in the blank space. Okay. The boys sit in yellow boats. Yes, the answer is boats. Write down in the blank space. Okay. And third one is the have balloons. Who have balloons? Yes. Write down girls. Girls have balloons. Girls have balloons. Fourth, the prick the balloons. Who prick the balloons? Yes, the answer is crows. The crows prick the balloons. Write down here crows. Next one is the yellow boats have. What the yellow boats have? Yes, the yellow Boats have holes. Answer is holes. The girls are brave. The answer is the girls are brave. Note down in the copy and book also. Okay, this is your exercise. And the next exercise, one and many. Okay, you have to write down one. If the things is one, write down in the ones box, and if the things are many, in plural form, note down in it many box, means in the box of manys where the wrote down many. Okay, balloon is one, so note down in the below one. Okay, one balloon means girls is in plural form, one girl is in singular number and girls is in plural form, so write down it below the many. Okay, bird is in singular number, so write down below the one. And sparrows, here is many sparrows means, so write down below the many. Parrot, ropes. Boy, crows. Boys singular number, so write down below the one. And crows in plural form, so write down in below the many. Okay, boat is singular, children is plural, so note down in the box of many. Balloon, bird, parrot, boy and board, these are singular number words. And here girls, sparrow, ropes, crows and children, these are plural number words. Okay, complete this exercise. Bye, thank you, have a nice day.